Hi, everyone. You are probably working on the last week of the term work, the gas unit with that module one. I just thought I would convey a little bit of information for you so you know what's to come with regards to the performance tasks that are next week and the exam that follows the week after. So, the way that it works in this course here is your performance task is worth 15% of your mark, and your exam is worth 15% of your mark. And this year is a little bit different than most years when we are not in a pandemic, and they can only serve to improve your mark. So, what that means is it's beneficial to you to at least attempt these performance tasks and exams because even if you get a low mark, it cannot affect your overall term mark. And what I will do is at the end of this week, I will post where you're at in terms of the term work. The absolute closure date for any term work that I am able to accept or willing to accept will be on Monday, June the 20th by 3:30 p.m. So, what that means is I need all of your work from units one, two, three, four, and five, anything that you are behind in. I will accept those up until that point. Those are Dropbox submissions only. Quizzes will have come to a close long before then. And when it comes to your performance tasks, those are going to open on Monday. And let me show you how that works. So you're going to see when you go under the content section, there will be a folder that says performance tasks. And when you click on that, there will be four different tasks that will pop up. And the expectation is that you are going to do one of these tasks each day. Now, some of them are lab based, some of them are thinking and inquiry application, and they're related to different units of the year. So I give you a bit of a breakdown, but again, you want to make sure that those are submitted by the closure date of term work as well, which would be the 20th. So you have just over a week. Actually, no, exactly 1 week to get those four tasks done. And that is very doable for sure. Now, the exams open up on the 21st of June, and you're going to see there's a folder here, and I will open that up for you this Monday as well, so you can sort of see how that is going to look. So the exam will open up June 21st at 8 a.m. and it will be available until Friday, June 24th at 3:30 p.m. So you can write any time between that time frame, but once you start, you can't go back to it, right? So you can't start on Tuesday and think that you're going to finish on Wednesday. It's a 2-hour window. Once you start, that's when the timing starts. You're going to notice that there is a breakdown and some of the materials that you're going to need, like a periodic table, activity series, solubility chart, that sort of thing. And I'll just remind you that those are back in your resources under student resources. This is where you've got all of those tables that you are going to need. So going back to the exam breakdown, you're going to see that there's some multiple choice type questions, true and false, fill in the blank, short answer calculations, and that exam is out of 100. Okay, so you are encouraged to write that exam. However, if you don't do so great on it, again, it's not going to harm you. It can only help you if you do well on it. I also have a formula sheet here where it has all of the different mathematical formulas. So when you click on that link, these are all of the ones that we did from units 3, 4, and 5. So that's sort of good to keep on hand. And again, obviously, you have access to all of your notes. And then I've also got an exam review here with some answers, and there's also a practice exam for you to do. So those will open up tomorrow so that you can start to take a look at that. But the performance tasks will not open up until Monday. Okay. And it looks like a lot of you are still working away on the gas unit anyway. So I'm going to have that all sort of written out as well in the news feed. And if you have any questions or need clarification, please reach out as soon as possible. Okay, thanks everyone, and we will touch base again at the beginning of next week.